Hey guys, welcome back to this brand new video. I'd like to show you guys a very interesting strategy that I've just discovered with the Lux Algo, and I hope that this works for you. I hope you backtest it, and I hope you take advantage of it. It is very simple. It is a simple two-step strategy, and I'll just explain to you guys how it works just right now. All right. If you're new around here, make sure to drop a like, drop a follow. For every day I post interesting strategies for you guys to try out. Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. Cool. So I'm sure you guys all know the Lux Argo, Nadaraya Watson indicator, and if you don't, it is simply like a Bollinger Band type strategy. If it breaks out of the band as such, you want to consider selling. If it breaks out of the band at the bottom, you want to consider buying. All right, but the only catch is this indicator actually repaints, so you will need to confluence it with something else. That is why we have the volatility oscillator, which is going to act as a confluence. So cool. Now I'm going to show you guys how it works. Very simple and very effective, right? So for a buy signal, wait for price to break out of the Bollinger Band as such. The Nadaraya Watts indicator as such, wait for a breakout, and you want to make sure that there is enough volume in the market. As you can see right here, there is enough volume in the market. Yeah, as you can see right here, as you can see, there's enough volume in the market because price is broken out of our band as well right here. That is an indication for us to take a buy. Right now, cool, as you can see right here, price is broken out of our Bollinger Band as well, and you want to check if there was enough volume. At this point in time, there was not enough volume. As you can see, there was not enough volume right here, so we do not take that buy. We do not take it at all. Now, as you can see, we had this right here. That was a nice sell, and in that same spot we had the volume breaker of our band, and that's a nice sell signal, right? Guys, it is as simple as that, right? It is as simple as that. And the most difficult part about trading is not the strategy, it is your psychology. Trust me, it is your psychology and following the rules. If you don't get these two confluences, do not sell or buy. Simple as that. All right. Now, for a management strategy, I would recommend for you guys to target the most recent resistant points or zones that are on your charts. All right. For example, if you were to buy here, I would say probably come out at this level. You can see this is a nice. This looks like a resistant level, so you might want to come out, see price tap in there. So if you bought here, for example, you'd want to come out somewhere up here. You want to jump out, and yeah, man, simple as that, right? It is very simple. Follow this strategy and you just might be lucky. See you in the next one. Subscribe, comment, and peace.